This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Danae Davidson. Do not miss this opportunity to own this fully restored historic duplex in the heart of downtown Tarpon Springs. Excellent investment opportunity for any type of investor and flexible zoning for creative minds. Cash flow from the start with no downsides, as this home has been updated from the top to bottom. New air conditioner, new roof, new windows, new paver patio, new fence, new flooring, new high-end bathroom/kitchen remodel with preservation of the 1920s glamour. One could also move into the top home while renting out the freshly renovated industrial designed bottom unit. Easily turn this duplex into a triplex by finishing the other side of the lower unit or rent out as storage. For more information, review the details below.